Investors continued to worry about a demand hit due to travel restrictions and trade disruptions resulting from the COVID-19 pandemic. More than 1.9 million confirmed COVID-19 cases have been reported globally, with 125,196 deaths. Experts warned of a potential global supply glut of crude, despite the OPEC's history production cuts on Sunday to reduce output by 9.7 million barrels per day for May and June after 4 days of talks. According to an OPEC statement on the deal, from July through the end of 2020, the cut will decrease to 7.7 million BPD and will then be followed by an adjustment of 5.8 million BPD for another 16 months till the end of April 2020. Meanwhile, the International Monetary Fund says global financial markets have been heavily impacted by COVID-19 crisis and that the global economy is on track to contract by 3% in 2020 as a result of the pandemic. IMF Financial Counselor Tobias Adrian said that it is important to take aggressive policy measures to get through the crisis. He said that overall he expects interest rates and inflation to stay low for an extended period. Adrian says banks are generally better prepared to deal with the fallout from the pandemic than before the financial crisis. Even if the pandemic will be brought under control at the end of the year, the IMF only foresees a partial recovery in 2021. Finally, the founder and boss of Amazon, Jeff Bezos, has seen his wealth swell by $24 billion after soaring demand for online shopping sent the firm's share price to a new high. Bezos now has a fortune of $138 billion, according to the Bloomberg Billionaires Index, cementing his position as the world's richest man. Amazon has benefited from surging internet shopping by people forced to stay at home during the COVID-19 outbreak. The firm has been recruiting thousands of workers to cope with demand. With millions now working from home, online meeting site Zoom has seen founder Eric Yuan's fortune more than double to $7.4 billion. The Bloomberg Billionaires Index said the world's 500 richest people lost $553 billion so far this year. Fiona Shuru, Channel 1 Business News.